Hello children, good morning. How are you? And hope all your family are fine and safe. Children, okay? Now without delaying, let us go to our topic in English, the heart spoon. What children? The heart spoon lesson. Before going to the lesson, see children, some vowel sound words are there. Now let us see. Yes? See on the screen children. P-O-O-L pool. F-O-O-L fool. See O is there no for each word. So these are O sound words. Like that. C-O-O-L cool. T-O-O-L tool. S-T-O-O-L stool. S-C-H-O-O-L school. B-O-O-T boot. S-O-O-T suit. S-H-O-O-T shoot. R-O-O-T root. H-O-O-T hoot. H-O-O-F hoof. R-O-O-F roof. P-R-O-O-F proof. H-O-O-P hoop. L-O-O-P loop. F-O-O-D food. B-R-O-O-M broom. R-O-O-M room. B-O-O-M boom. S-O-O-N soon. M-O-O-N moon. N-O-O-N noon. B-O-O-N boon. These are O sound words. What are these children? These are O sound words. Okay. Now see children, some new words are there in this lesson. What are those? What are those children? First one is plate. What is the first word? Plate. P-L-A-T-E. Plate. Plate means, yes children, we are eating in the plate, no children, food. Plate means a round dish from which we eat food. Okay children? Like that. Spider. What is the second word? Spider. Have you seen spider children in your home? Yes? It is an insect. It makes a web. See children, spider means it is an insect. It has 8 legs and it makes web. Third word is L-O-O-S-E, loose. Loose means not fitting tightly. Yes, loose means not fitting tightly. Next, what is the last word? W-I-P-E-S, wipes. Wipes means to clean by rubbing with a cloth or a piece of paper. Yes children, we are, see after taking bath, we are cleaning our body, no children, we are wiping our body, no. Yes, we are wiping our body with a cloth, that is wiping. Okay, now we will start reading the story, the heart spoon. Okay children, see here. See on the screen children. See, in the first picture, boy is there, bed is there, green color bed, and table is there, and floor mat is there, no, doors, shutting doors, no children, and here pot, flower pot is there, fan, ceiling fan is there, yes, and some photograph also is there in this room. Okay, now let us come to the lesson. Tom is in the room. The room is cool. Tom lives near the zoo. See children, Tom, T-O-M, Tom. Tom is in the room. The room is cool. Tom lives near the zoo. See children, the boy who is standing near the window, his name is Tom. What children? His name is what? This boy name is Tom. And his room is cool. Tom's room is cool. And where does Tom live? Tom lives near the zoo. Where does Tom live, children? Tom lives near the zoo. Now, see second para, children. See here in this picture, what pictures are there, children? Some stars are there, moon, boy and zoo. Yes, zoo is there, no? And animal also is there. And some geese are there in the pond. Yes, this is the picture. Now come to second para. Tom looks out of the window. Tom looks out of the window. The room is near the zoo. The moon is in the sky. The geese are in the pool. So, see children here, what a beautiful scene. Yes, stars are there, moon is there, and geese and zoo. This is a beautiful scene, no children? Tom is looking out of the window. He is looking at the zoo. What children? He is looking at the zoo. The moon and the stars are shining in the sky. The moon and the stars are shining in the sky. And some geese are also there in the pond, pool or pond. Yes children, some geese are also there in the pond. Now, see children here, see in this picture, table, some chair is there, Tom, and some food is there on the table, spoon also is there. Yes children? Yes? Now come to this para. Tom wants food. The food is on the table. There is a spoon in the plate. The spoon is hot. Tom picks the spoon. So, now Tom is feeling hungry. Yes children, Tom wants food means he is feeling hungry. He wants to eat food. The food is on the table. Where is the food, children? The food is on the table. The food is hot. H-O-T, hot. See children, the food is hot. Yes, the spoon is also hot. Food and spoon both are hot, very hot. So, what does Tom do? He picks the spoon. What does Tom do, children? He picks the spoon. Yes, Tom wants food. The food is on the table. There is a spoon in the plate. The spoon is hot. Tom picks the spoon. Okay, children? So, he is feeling hungry, no? He wants to eat food. But here, what happened here? The food is very hot, as well as the spoon also very hot. So, what does Tom do? He picks the spoon. Now, see children, next para, see here Tom, and here some food also spills, falls on the table. Yes children, see here, oh, 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 look at the food. Tom spills the food. Yes children, see here the food. Tom spills the food. Oh, look at the food. Tom spills the food. The spoon is hot and Tom touches the spoon and the food gets spilled. Yes, what happened children? Here the spoon is hot, no, and Tom touches the spoon and the food gets spilled. Tom looks at the roof. What children? Next para see there. Here some web is there, spider and photograph, and see here doors shutting, no, and here bed and Tom. Is there no in this picture? Now see here, Tom looks at the roof. What children? Tom looks at the roof. A spider makes a loop. Yes? A spider makes a loop. The loop is loose. Tom takes a broom. Tom is on the stool. Tom wipes the loop. Yes, Tom wipes the loop with the broom. See children, Tom sees a spider at the roof. Yes children, Tom sees a spider. See children, on the roof, not at the roof. See, Tom sees a spider on the roof. The spider makes a loop. So what does Tom do children here? He takes a broom and stands on the stool. Tom wipes the loop with the broom. Yes children, what happened here? The loop is loose. Tom takes a broom. Tom is on the stool. Tom wipes the loop with the broom. See children here. So, Tom sees a spider on the roof. The spider makes a loop. So, what does Tom do? He takes a broom and stands on the stool, and Tom wipes the loop with the broom. See children, how he wipes the loop children? With the broom. Yes. So children, this is the end of the lesson. So your work is, so before lesson I gave some bobo sound words, no children, that oo sound words you write one time. You learn and write one time oo sound words. This is your homework. Okay children, bye. See you tomorrow.